out and about today, exploring the surrounding Orlando area, checking out this winery, and then we're heading to a couple of wildlife preserves to do some hiking and maybe see some alligators and stuff like that. See you guys!
We tasted some wine. It was pretty good. A lot of sweets, which aren't really our thing, but
apparently in the really warm southern areas, sweet is how you're gonna want to go.
I guess. Not only do they do wine, they do live music, entertainment, food, and fun.
Then your destination will be on the left.
Turtle. We're at the Oakland Nature Preserve here near Orlando. We are currently standing in an old Florida sinkhole. Florida has more sinkholes than anywhere else in the country because this ground is just pockmarked with limestone caves that water erodes, eventually collapses and sinks in. This one is not turned into a lake. It's kind of filled in with trees and such, but a lot of the Florida sinkholes become lakes. If you look at the satellite imagery, you'll see this place is just covered in small lakes that form from these sinkholes. So
we are now on the boardwalk heading out to the lake. This place is really, really pretty. This place was recommended to us by a friend who we just met in Savannah. So we're really, really pleased so far that this has turned out to be really cool.
gator.
Our first gator.
Later gator.
Alright, we're at the Wildlife Drive.
I think they're locking things up. So we're doing this wildlife drive on the north shore of Lake Apopka? Something like that. And we just barely made it in here under the wire. They close at sunset and it's like 5 o'clock. They said they'll close the outside gate at 6 o'clock. And it's an 11-mile one-way drive. And it's really cool. We're seeing all these birds and wildlife. And we're basically up on this levee over this marsh area, but we are kind of a little rushed because they're following us. Now you can see them behind us. They're basically pushing us out, so we're gonna see what we can, but so far we're enjoying it a lot.
Bella, you stay in the car. Last experience with Bella jumping out the window at Hilton Head, we have rolled up the window enough to discourage such atrocious behavior.
No feeding the alligators. We would feed the alligators with Bella. See?
Bella would feed the alligators herself. So let's just avoid that. That is a big one.
Yeah, look at the size of his head and neck.
So the rain has finally driven us to not be able to really watch the wildlife, but we got to see quite a bit of stuff. So we're pretty pleased about that.
Yeah, it was really cool. I had fun. It's our last day here in Orlando, and we're gonna take advantage of all the amenities of the park because it's beautiful out. I'm gonna go with a golden putter.
We're gonna play a wicked game of mini golf.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh!
Now we're playing shuffleboard, and we have no idea what we're doing.
And Caitlin is kicking Tom's butt
No,
at shuffleboard.
I make up the rules, so I'm not losing.
Still losing.
At the puppy park. Whoa, I got that on camera. Too many things to sniff.
Yeah.
You guys are boring.
You're really